If you're over 50, your fitness goals probably look different than they did years ago. And that's because we are different, and that's not a bad thing. This series isn't about punishing workouts or chasing a number on the scale. It's about building strength, balance, mobility, and energy so that you can keep doing the things that you love for years to come. In this series, we'll focus on the fitness goals that truly matter as we age, staying strong, steady, mobile, and confident in our bodies. These workouts are short, effective, and designed to fit real life. No extremes, just movement that supports your health now and in the future. So remember to set your notifications because this series will launch in early January. And together, let's make this chapter of our lives the best chapter of our lives.